got the scissors and experimental blurb. And my cousin, this is the worst video ever, by the way.
Yeah.
It's not the worst, but it's the most informative.
It's interesting. It's really
exciting for us.
You probably don't know what this website is. It's called TT Rockstars.
TT Rockstars.
You've got a minute to answer as many times as you on the computer. Now, put this is his cousin Joe. Sorry, I'm speaking to you.
He is the best I've ever seen.
He gets like 170 times tables in 1 minute. I know we're making a video about times tables and all that.
Yeah, and he's doing this competition where if he wins, he gets to win a helicopter ride, and he gets money to his account.
And he's in the final!
And he gets to be a king as his avatar, and he's in the flipping final.
He's in the final. His cousin is in the final.
My cousin's in the final.
Most schools in England have this, and then it's like a minute to make to do every times table. And you just
So
have to
we're
do
just
it.
chanting like jump, jump,
Jump, jump, jump, jump, jump, jump, jump, jump, jump, jump, jump, jump, jump, jump, jump, jump, jump, jump.
Yeah, that's just gonna be the rest of the video.
Yeah.
Now.
Jump, jump, jump,
Jump,
jump,
jump, jump, jump, jump,
jump.
Homo,
Wait, you're on YouTube.
homo.
Jump,
Oh yeah, jump,
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 jump, jump, jump, jump, jump, jump, jump, jump, jump. Jojo.
Jojo. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.